Hi family, happy you're joining the adventure. In this crazy video, let's solve this subtraction problem. 64 minus 27. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 4 minus 7. But I can't do it because 4 is smaller than 7. So we must borrow. You go to the 6 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 4 becomes 14 and 6 becomes 5. Now we have 14 minus 7, which equals 7. Write 7 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Write 3 in the tens place. So 64 minus 27 equals 37. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit subscribe, like and share to support the channel.